Hello children, in the previous class we have finished the chapter into the future, and in this class we are going to start the exercise. The first one, comprehension. Complete the following sentence in your own words. The first one is, the machine that the narrator showed his friend was different from the model he had shown them earlier, as it was 20 times larger than the model. Next question. The chair was special as it had a lever. Sorry, here lever spelling is mistaken. No, it is correct. It had a lever fitted to it which could take people into the future or into the past. Next question. The narrator invited his friends to test the chair a week later. Next. When the narrator sat in the chair for the first test flight, the time was 19 minutes past 4. Next, the first flight took him more than 5 hours into the future. Next, by mentioning blinking of lights, the narrator wants to say that days passed very fast. Okay, some questions are given here. The first question, where did the narrator want to travel to and why? The answer is, the narrator wanted to travel to the future first because the unknown interested him the most. Next question, what instructions did the narrator give his maid? The narrator instructed his maid to cook the best dinner she could for his friend the next week. He also gave her a note for his friend. Next question, how did the narrator work the machine? Was it difficult to operate? Give reasons for your answer. The answer is, the narrator sat down on the seat of the time machine and pulled the lever down a little and then stopped it. Then he pulled the lever harder and the time machine sped up. It was not very difficult to operate because it had only 2 levers. Next question, what made the narrator think that his machine was a failure? Was he right? Give reasons for your answer. The answer is, when the narrator started the time machine first, he did not notice any changes in the surroundings. So he thought his machine was a failure. He was wrong because after some moment he felt that he had traveled more than 5 hours in just 2 minutes. Next question is, to the narrator, though the narrator could see the maid working, why could she not see him? The answer is, the maid could not see the narrator because he was traveling through time. Next question, what did the windows darkening and brightening signify? The brightening and the darkening of the windows signify the coming and passing of days and nights. Next question, why did he pull hard at the lever? What happened as a result of this? The answer is, the narrator had traveled too far into the future. He wanted to get back, so he pulled hard at the lever. The machine stopped sharply and tipped over, throwing the narrator from the seat. Next question is, why does the narrator mark this remark? A fine welcome, a man travels over 8 lakh years for a visit, and this is the greeting he gets. The answer is, the narrator heard a loud thunderclap and felt a shower of hailstones on his face. So he makes the remark suggesting that it was not a pleasant welcome. Next question is, the ending of the story Into the Future is not complete. What do you think happens in the narrator after this? Write a suitable ending for this story, then read the rest of the story from the original book and find out how the writer has ended the story. Okay, you can easily observe that the ending of the story is not complete, and if you can, you write an ending for this story, and then read the original book and see how narrator ended. Next, vocabulary section. Okay, some words are given here and their synonyms are given here, and among the synonym, one is odd. You have to circle the odd. The first word is gather, collect, crowd, flock, huddle, scatter. Scatter is not the synonym of gather. Tinker, fiddle, repair, leave alone, fix. Leave alone is the odd. Delicate, critical, sensitive, unimportant, skilled. Unimportant is the odd one here. Panic, alarm, dread, calm, fear. Calm is here odd. Blur, becloud, bedim, clear, daze. Clear is the odd here. Next, stunned, expected, amazed, astonished, dazed. Here expected is odd. Okay, fill in the blanks with the right words from those given in the bracket. Some words are given in the bracket and you have to choose the right one. There was no water in the tank because my mother had forgotten to pull the lever. Here the second one, lever, is the correct word here. Next, the wind blew away her blue dress. The first one is blew and the second one is blue. Next, it takes an hour by bus to reach my school. Here, hour is the right word here. Sita has a lot of loose changes in her tiny purse which she can easily lose. Here the first one is LOOC and the second one is LOAC. The salesman will quote a high price for this coat. Here QUOTE is in the first blank and COAT is in the second blank. Apply some ointment to lessen the pain. LESSEN, lessen means make comfort. Okay students, that's all for now. We will continue the exercise in the next class. Thank you.